Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Friday Assembly, which is a celebration of all the incredible learning you've all done this week. I am so proud of everybody for how well you've all adapted to the new learning and online learning, and all of the parents and carers, well done. We're all juggling so much at the moment and you're doing a brilliant job. You know, your parents and your teachers, and you're often working at the same time. It's a real juggle. Everyone's doing such a fantastic job, and I've been so impressed with the frequency and the quality of the amazing learning that's been coming in. So well done to all of you. So our teachers have chosen star learners this week. They've chosen a home learning learner and a key worker learner, so that everybody has a chance to shine. So in Apple class, Mrs. Webber has chosen Ava for her super reading and phonics, and Eric for working so hard on his home learning and doing so much learning at home. That's brilliant, Eric. Well done. In Cherry class, Mrs. Webber has chosen Winnie for her progress in her reading, and Molly for a super effort in all of her home learning tasks. Well done, Molly. In Oak class, Mrs. Naylor has chosen Toby for super perseverance and pride in his learning, and Sunny for doing so much home learning and really engaging and showing that he's doing so many tasks. In Beach class, Mrs. Kriskovich has chosen Leonie for creating an amazing structure of the earth on wallpaper, and also Gracie for a fantastic effort in attitude. I've seen some really good maths learning from Gracie. Well done, Gracie. In Conker's class, we have Ryan for his amazing effort in maths and really challenging himself this week, and Alex for taking pride and completing all of his home learning and just doing a brilliant job. Well done, Alex. In Maple class, Miss Allen has chosen Martha for her perseverance, especially in reading. You're making such good progress, Martha. Well done. And Tian for his amazing writing. Now, I heard your writing too. Miss Allen read it to me. What a great job you have done. And Miss Allen has also read that in one of her clips on the YouTube channel, if you want to go and have a look at some of that there. Tian also did some amazing Clarence Cliff artwork, which I know a lot of Maple class have done, so well done everybody in Maple class. And last week I set you all a challenge to set yourself some New Year's resolutions, some positive resolutions, and I've had so many responses, so well done everybody. But I hope I got everyone thinking about that, even if you didn't send them to me. So Noah in Oak class said that he wants to explore more and he would like to learn more about the army. So he'd really thought about something positive he could do. In Apple and Cherry class, they all put some together. They wanted to share more, to get better at reading, to help the environment, and to learn more about mini beasts, which is a good thing because that's their topic at the moment. Denny sent me some super resolutions and a lovely picture in stars as well, and that's to do more litter picking, which is brilliant for the environment, Denny. Well done. And to improve his Turkish language skills. Brilliant, Denny. And William is also going to do some litter picking, and he's going to help his mummy and daddy more by planting more vegetables. That sounds brilliant, William. William also had a suggestion for our book next week, The Lion Inside, which Adelphi gave him for a present. So I'd love to read that book, William. We'll make sure I can get a copy and maybe I can read it next week for you at story time. Well done everybody. I hope you have a lovely weekend. If you need us, we're here. I hope you've had contact from all your teachers this week. And if you need anything at all, we're here on the phone. You can contact me via email, you can contact your class teacher via Dojo, or you can call the school office. Thank you.